In the event of a fire, a homeowner's insurance policy may be void if they fail to repair a faulty electrical system. A faulty electrical system is often the cause of a fire and can make a homeowner liable for the damage it causes. However, there are times when this faulty work is completely unavoidable. The insurance company will assess whether the faulty electrical repair was the cause of the fire, or if the homeowner was negligent in the process of performing the work. A faulty electrical system can cause a variety of car problems, ranging from noisy starting to inconsistent performance. If you notice these signs, you should consider getting an electrical repair. Investing in an electrical training program can help you land a rewarding career that will satisfy your passion for electrical repair. A few good places to start are programs at Coin College. You will be well on your way to a fulfilling career in the field. The first symptom of a faulty electrical system is a flickering or dimming light. The flickering indicates that the current is not flowing smoothly. This symptom can indicate a much bigger problem down the road. Electrical systems may also emit a burning smell. Faulty wiring can also cause an electrical fire, which is one of the biggest dangers of electrical systems. You can get a free quote from an electrical repair service in your area by completing an online form or calling one of our experts. Another indication of faulty electrical repair is flickering lights in the house. This could be a loose electrical connection. This problem might affect several lights in a room or the entire house. If the flickering lights are a problem, contact a licensed electrician who can troubleshoot the issue and repair it. If the problem persists, a licensed electrician may be able to solve the issue and save you money. Even if you're not skilled in doing electrical repairs, you can still protect yourself and your property by following some safety procedures. First of all, avoid overloading electrical circuits. Never plug more than one appliance into one circuit. Also, use ground fault circuit interrupters when there is a risk of wetness. A faulty electrical system may cause a house fire. If left unchecked, it could lead to serious damage. If your light switches are not functioning properly, you might need to replace them. A faulty light switch could mean a problem with the wiring. You may be able to fix it yourself by replacing the light switches and wiring. Regardless, you should hire a licensed electrician if you have a complicated electrical system. In the case of faulty electrical repairs, you risk electrical shock and even fire. In such a case, it is highly recommended to seek professional electrical repair services. Even small electrical problems, such as loose outlets, can cause fires if not dealt with quickly. Similarly, loose electrical wires may result in a fire if they are not secured. Using the wrong tools to fix a problem could be fatal. If you don't have enough knowledge and experience, it's best to contact a licensed electrician. If the electrical system is old and outdated, the problem could be an external fault. To solve the issue, call a professional electrical service. Never tamper with the external power lines, as it's a dangerous job that requires specialized training. Before contacting a professional, check the circuit breaker for overload, check all outlets, and replace light bulbs. If these are not the culprit, it's best to call a professional electrician. A faulty electrical system may also cause your home or business to stop working properly, resulting in increased electric bills. In addition, faulty electrical systems can cause injuries. A professional electrical contractor like Mr. Value Electricians has the experience, tools, and expertise to fix any problem quickly and professionally. The company's experienced technicians will work to resolve your problem while ensuring your safety. They are also highly experienced and are fully insured. If you're looking for a faulty electrical repair service, look no further than Mr. Value Electrical Services.